летать на самолете. И немножко страшно. Я буду рулить. Я бы дошла с ним. Так вот, сейчас полетим.
I'll tell you something about the airplane.
Loop even mee.
Ja, tuurlijk. I'll explain you how this airplane works before you're going to fly, and especially focus on you because you are going to fly the airplane.
Что, мы все туда залазим?
A little ball, and when you just put it in there, it's in the. You have a headset on your steering wheel. You have two headsets on the back. Close the door for you, and you can lock it by pulling this lever forward.
Покажи, как ты рада. Я? Я немножко сжимаю. Нервно.
That's scared.
Merci.